This is running live in my browser. Avatar Talk, Part 1, Browser-based motion capture with MediaPipe. This is the entire Phase 1 codebase being written. 3 files, about 200 lines of TypeScript. First, the HTML. The whole interface is a video element showing the webcam, with a transparent canvas positioned exactly on top. Video below, skeleton drawn above. The style sheet makes the layering work. Both layers get absolute positioning, so they align pixel perfect. And mirror mode is a single scaleX -1 transform, applied to both layers at once. No coordinate math needed. Now the brain. MediaPipe's pose model returns 33 landmarks per frame. Legs are unreliable from a desk webcam, so we keep only the first 25. Face, torso, and arms. The connection list is hand-picked pairs of landmark indices. Which dots get a bone drawn between them. Loading the model takes 2 steps. Fetch the WebAssembly runtime, then create the landmarker. 3 choices matter here. The light model variant. The GPU delegate, which is the difference between 30 frames a second and a slideshow. And video mode, which enables smoothing across frames. Drawing is where the first gotcha lives. Every landmark has a visibility score. Below 0.5, we skip it. Otherwise, when your hand leaves the frame, MediaPipe keeps guessing, and a ghost arm flails at the edge of the screen. The render loop holds gotcha number 2. The canvas's internal resolution must match the video's native resolution, or the skeleton drifts off your body. And since the display refreshes faster than the webcam delivers frames, we skip inference on duplicate frames. Free CPU savings. And that is Phase 1. A live skeleton in about 200 lines. The code is on GitHub, link in the description. Next episode, loading a 3D VRM avatar, and making this skeleton drive its bones. See you there.